There is a huge bug in sponsored brand headline ads right now. So we've been noticing over the past month or so that metrics for headline ads have been going down. Okay, they've been getting a lot more clicks, a lot more impressions, not necessarily more sales. Now, you guys know if you do run these, they don't always work for every brand. You need to have either a really good storefront or a good mix of products to drive people to. And your sponsored products a lot of times are probably going to outperform your headline ads. But huge red flag. And if you don't catch it, it's going to start costing you a lot of money. Broad matches and headline ads are not working. Okay, so I'm not going to hide this data from you guys. I am in Amazon India. Okay, so I am in India because I have seen it. It's worse here, but I can 100% confirm this is happening in the US as well. It's super simple. We are bidding on the word magnetic planter, broad match. We are getting impressions for search terms that have nothing to do with that keyword. Nothing. You can see we're getting clicks for the word decor, and we're bidding on magnetic planters for home decor, right? Because it's using like maybe just this one. But this right here, you guys know, broad match, if you bid on the word magnetic planter in broad match, you should show up for anything that includes these two. Order doesn't matter, but still, those two keywords have to be in the search term. And flower pots for living room have absolutely nothing to do with this. So again, broad match is broken in headline ads. It has been for quite some time, but it's getting worse. And I have a feeling that Amazon, maybe what they're trying to do is maybe they're not having enough people using headline ads, so they're trying to bridge the gap. They're saying like, hey, we see you bidding on magnetic planter, but we think that you might convert on this, right? But no, 112 clicks. Again, I'm in India. I do want to clarify that, but because I can show you guys this data in the US, I didn't want to hide all of this from you, so I'm showing you this real-time data. And I even know I've preached this before. With headline ads, exact match are king, okay? But a lot of people do have broad match running. I can confirm that phrase match is okay. So phrase match is fine. But what I would suggest, if you have any broad match in your headlines, you should pause them. Okay? You should pause them and at least move them over to phrase match. That's going to be fine. But it's almost like Amazon is running an auto match for us, right? It's kind of like an auto targeting thing where they're taking all of our broad match and just completely ignoring what we're bidding on and showing us for all of these just random words. Look at this one. We got clicks for the word vase. It's a single word that I never would have bid on in this account. I'm still bidding on the word magnetic planter. And we're seeing this, and we are trying to tweak a bulk upload for this because even bulk uploads for headline ads are a little tricky. So I do apologize. I don't have that right now. But so you want to come to your headline ad, you want to go to search terms, and you want to see just the absolute horror of these broad match if you have them running. Simplest way to do this, just export that. If you want to add a bunch of negatives, right? Just export that. Sort this by clicks, largest to smallest. And first off, if you want to keep them running, it's honestly fine, right? So there's two options here. Maybe you keep broad match running at a super low bid, like 25 cents, okay? Go as low as you can go. Maybe you will get some stuff. If you want to add them as negatives, fine. Then you can come in here. Again, in plain sight, keyword, completely different from search term, right? So you can constantly go in here, add all these search terms, right? Just copy them, come back over, go to negative targeting, add them as negatives, right? That's your second option. But what I'm suggesting is you come in here, pause all of these, completely scratch them, right? And then focus on phrase and exact match. I don't know why this is happening. It's a crazy, crazy bug. And if you're not looking at the search terms, and a lot of people don't look for search terms for headlines, they pull sponsored product search term reports and they never look at this, okay? So please, please, please look at it before the holidays and then tweak your headlines, focus on phrase and exact. And if you catch this and pause all of these, this is going to save you a ton of money and increase your conversion rate for your headline ads.